Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Lessons with Mark. Now this is a little video series where basically I'm not doing any cooking, but I'm going to talk to you about a topic so I can kind of unleash my brain and let you into some world of wisdom. If you do like these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you don't like these videos, go and watch the other videos where I do some cooking, and if you like those, go and like and subscribe because it really helps. So this one, the ratio of, let's call it an Asian dressing or a cold vinaigrette, which I saw on Food 52. If I can, I'm editing these. Francis isn't editing these. I'm going to try and put it there where I saw it, and it's just unlocked the simplicity in balance for me. Okay, so as you know, a lot of my videos are all about how to balance flavors, how to make food tasty, so that we can cut out food waste by eating tasty food. It's very, very simple. So 3311 is basically the ratio of this dressing. So you do 3, 1, 1. Yes, Mel, but what are they? So 3 soy sauce, 3 oil, 1 vinegar, and 1 sugar. So if you take that ratio, take whatever you want. Do you want to measure in a tablespoon? Do 3 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons, 1, 1. Very simple. Do you want to do it in a cup? Do you want to do it in a bucket? Do you want to do it in a sink? You know, whatever you want to do, pick your vessel and just do that. It's a ratio, it's a volume thing. That is it. If you want to be cool, like me, get a deli container, fill 3 of those up, you know, get me? That will give you a fantastic base. And this is what excites me about cooking, all right? Once you get that, talk about it. Soy sauce is your salty element, right? Wonderful. Your oil, just a carrier of flavor, mouthfeel, a bit of extra lube. Your vinegar, your acidity. What does acidity do in salt? It kind of like interacts and balances one another. Then you get the sugar, as I always try and explain, like vinegar for me is like this, like intense, lovely. Salt is this thing that I kind of just like think of as like a block that like lifts things, and then sugar is this sort of like lovely sort of like mellow little wobbly line. So what I try and think of is like when you get this, imagine vinegar going all around like this and it still feels, you add that, it'll be intense, okay? Add a little bit of sugar, a little bit of this roundness, some of these little edges start to blend out and it's wonderful. If you put too much in, you're just gonna have a sweet, horrible, terrible sauce. That's why these ratios are here. Now, this is where it gets exciting for me, okay? You have your sauce in the middle, fantastic, that is a beautiful base. Now, just pull your pants down and just unleash your flavoury wisdom wherever you want it to go, right? Bit weird, but stick with me. So, easy one, toasted sesame, right? You're not changing this, you're just doing toasted sesame. Burn them a little bit, give that a little oomph, you've got something amazing. Oh, hey Mark, what if you was to change the oil? Yeah, right? So you've got veg oil to start off with. Maybe you want to take it sesame again. Go sesame. But maybe you want to put another nut oil in, like a peanut nut oil or something like that. That says peanut. Put peanut in. Wow. Right, vinegars. But look, this is my one. This is an apple cider vinegar. Beautiful. Mellow appleness, and then it's also got that hit of slappiness. This one here is a rice, glutinous rice vinegar. So this is a completely different flavour profile to this. Fantastic. Vinegars, right? So that's your 3311. Sweetness. What have you got? Do you want to go sugar? Do you want to go honey? Do you want to go molasses? Do you want to go golden syrup? You know, what have you got that works in there? So your sugars. But then, when you go a step further, and you're like sweetness, where else does sweetness come from? Fruit, dried fruit, apricots, pineapple, oranges, all of that kind of stuff starts playing over here. So then you're adding an extra flavour, which kind of should work with that, but then you need to think about vinegar is bringing acidity. Is your pineapple going to be acidic? Do you need to balance that? Maybe you do. So that's where you need to have a little taste, register, a little bit of extra sugar, maybe a little bit of that. But then it just keeps going and going and going. This pineapple here, lovely on its own. What if you was to char that? Baby. What if you was to burn a bit of pineapple, put some extra spices on there, a little bit of, say, Chinese 5 spice, a little bit of cinnamon or whatever, and then put it on a charcoal pan, burn it. You've already developed some fucking amazing flavour. Then stick that in, and you've got an amazing thing. I love this. But this is just the tip of the iceberg with it. And this is where it's amazing to be playful. So this can go on like noodle dishes. You can just stir it through rice. I've put it through stir fries. All of that kind of stuff is just an endless thing. But once you have almost like a mother sauce like this, then start to go, where can I pull it? Where can I take it? What can I do? And this is it, 3311. Ladies and gentlemen, remember that, enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you all. I hope these are helping. Oh, let's go.